In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Zoho Sheet. Understanding how to manage hidden rows is a crucial skill for anyone working with spreadsheets, ensuring that you have complete control over the data you want to see and work with. Whether you've come across a shared sheet with hidden rows or accidentally hidden them yourself, restoring these rows is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into the task. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top toolbar on your Zoho Sheet interface. This is where you'll find the View menu, an essential tool for managing the appearance of your data. It's typically located towards the upper section of your screen, alongside other menus like File and Insert. Clicking on the View menu will reveal a drop-down list of options, specifically designed to help you customize how your data is displayed. Once you have the View menu open, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Hide and Unhide. This option is particularly useful when you're dealing with sheets that have hidden elements, such as rows or columns that you can't currently see but may need to access. Hover over Hide and Unhide, and you'll see another submenu pop up, full of options tailored for managing visibility. Now, since our goal today is to unhide rows, simply choose the Unhide Rows option from this submenu. With this selection, Zoho Sheet will immediately work to restore all rows that were previously hidden in your current worksheet. This function is incredibly useful if you've inherited a sheet with data that's not fully visible, or if you've hidden rows earlier to streamline your view and now need to access them again. If you're finding that your rows don't reappear immediately, double-check to ensure there aren't any additional settings or filters applied to your data that might be affecting row visibility. Sometimes, filters can inadvertently keep rows hidden, so clearing or adjusting these could be another step to take if your rows remain elusive. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these tools within Zoho Sheet not only enhances your efficiency, but also your confidence while working with complex data sets. The ability to swiftly hide and unhide information keeps your data organized and accessible. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to unhide rows in Zoho Sheet. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you manage your data with greater ease and flexibility. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.